Exploring Kerala on a budget can be an enriching experience without burning a hole in your pocket. Here's a guide to make your trip both economical and enjoyable. Travel. Kerala is well connected via trains and state-run buses, KSRTC. Choose sleeper trains or low-cost buses to save money. Book tickets in advance to get the best prices. Use local buses, auto rickshaws or shared jeeps to move around within cities and towns. They are significantly cheaper than private taxis. Do. Accommodation. Look for budget hotels, hostels, homestays, or guest houses. Websites like Booking.com, Hostelworld, or Airbnb often have great deals. Areas like Fort Kochi, Alleppey, and Varkala have many affordable options starting as low as Rs 500 Rs 1000 per night. Places like Munnar or Varkala offer ashrams and community stays at minimal rates. 3. Food. Dine at small, local restaurants called Dhattukadas. To enjoy authentic Kerala dishes like puttu, appam, dosa or Kerala sadhya at a fraction of the price. Meals can cost as little as Rs 50 or Rs 100. Try banana chips, pajhampuri, fried bananas, or kappa, tapioca for tasty and cheap snacks. 4. Activities. Keep expensive houseboats. Opt for a shikara boat ride or government-run ferries in Alleppey and Kumarakom. Rs 10 Rs 100. Explore free entry beaches like Kovalam, Varkala or Marari. Visit Munnar or Wayanad for trekking and scenic views. Entry fees for parks and viewpoints are minimal. Attend Kathakali or Theyyam performances at local cultural centers, often priced around Rs 200 Rs 300. Explore temples, churches and local markets for free. The Kerala Folklore Museum, small entry fee, in Kochi is another must visit. Fine shopping. 1. Buy souvenirs like spices, tea or handicrafts from local markets rather than tourist shops for better deals. 6. Plan smartly. Visit during the monsoon, June-September, or between March-May for lower prices on accommodation and activities. Stick to 1 or 2 regions to reduce transport costs. For example, 1. Itinerary. Coastal region, Kochi, Alleppey, Varkala, Hill Station route, Munnar, Wayanad. Thekadi sample, 5-day budget, itinerary. Rs 3 Rs 5. Day 1, arrive in Kochi. Explore Fort Kochi and Mattancherry, Rs 500. Day 2, travel to Alleppey, Shikara ride and beach, Rs 700. Day 3, move to Munnar, visit tea gardens and local markets, Rs 1000. Day 4, stay in Munnar, trekking and sightseeing, Rs 700. Day 5, return to Kochi, shopping and departure, Rs 1000. With careful planning, you can immerse yourself in Kerala's culture, beauty, and flavors without overspending. Feel free to contact Jagriti Travel Solutions.